Recording 1, 2, 3. We are now going to be going over another form. This is a form regarding the rental application. It is a tool that realtors can use to establish what it is that a tenant is going to need in order for them to apply for an apartment. We will be going under Office Manager in www.londonfoster.net, which is our office back office. We're going to go into Contracts and Forms under Office Manager. And here you will find a blank copy of every form that a realtor needs. We're going to go ahead and scroll down. And you will see where it says rental application requirements. And this is a very simplified version of this form. It says, thank you for the opportunity of finding you the perfect home for you to rent. I look forward to working with you. And then it gives you a list of the rental requirements. We'll go over them real quick. We need a completed rental application. Usually the leasing office of a rental company or the landlord is going to ask you for a specific form that they need to have filled out. We have attached a blank form. It is a good idea to have your client practice and fill this out completely. That way, when you have it, you can help fill out the next application, or at least now they have all their information gathered in one single page. You need a copy of the ID or driver's license for everyone over the age of 18. So if there's a father and a mother with 2 children, if one of the children is 19 years old, guess what? They have to fill out an application. They're probably going to have to fill out a fee, pay a fee, and they will most definitely have to provide a driver's license or ID, which could be a valid passport. The copy of the first month's deposit made out to London Foster. You want to get your clients into the habit of having their checkbook available when you do a showing. You most definitely want to make sure that they understand that that check needs to be made out to London Foster, as you will be depositing it into your escrow account, which, as you know, you can find on londonfoster.net under My Deals, Deposit Instructions. You need proof of income for every adult that will be living in the home. That includes 1 month's pay stub, or a self-employed, the last 3 bank statements, or copy of the W-2 or 1099s, or tax returns. This includes that son that's 19 years old. If he's working, you'd want to provide that for them. You need to provide a credit report for every adult applicant. You can get one at Credit Karma. You want to get your clients into the habit of doing this not the day of, not the day after, so that we have this available the moment they find the apartment of their dreams. If you need to do a tenant screening, you can go under londonfoster.net, under vendors, and for $50, we'll do the screening for you, including the credit check. You might need a copy of the police report for everyone over the age of 18. A great practice to have your clients do this, as many buildings are now requiring it. But more importantly, if there's nothing to hide, it's a great extra tool for you to provide to the landlord. When the landlord gets a completed package, including a police report that says this person is a good and trusting citizen of the community, guess what? That's an extra for you, and it makes your offer a lot more attractive. You want a reference letter from the most recent landlord. It should state clearly that you, the tenant, paid the rent and utilities on time, took care of the unit, and left it in a reasonable condition at the end of the lease. Okay? Again, we reiterate the fact that every applicant over the age of 18 must present a separate application, even if married. Please fill out the form completely and sign it where indicated. All payments are done in the form of a cashier's check, money order, or in our case, we accept personal checks into an escrow letter made out to London Foster. Okay. Here is a copy of the rental application. Again, it's very simple. It has their personal information, the occupants, the pets, the vehicles, employment, income. And it's a very simple form, very easy for them to fill out, and great information for you to have so that when you're filling out the application for the rental community or whichever one the landlord's agent wants you to fill out, you have 90% of the information there. Hopefully this helps you out. And again, you can find this at londonfoster.net under Office Manager, Contracts and Forms. Stop recording.